Okay, hello guys. Sorry about earlier. Something happened. I had technical problems, but please confirm into the chat that you can hear me, guys. And I'm waiting for messages. Hi, Jack, DS Mott. Hi, hi. How are you? So please confirm into the chat that you can hear me and that everything is okay this time. And before we'll continue it. And one moment, because I have to check something. Please guys, I'm waiting for you to confirm that you can hear me, that everything is okay. I have to okay. So please guys, can you hear me? Please read the disclaimer before we'll start this this webinar. Please guys, anyone, can you confirm into the chat, into the YouTube chat, that everything is okay? So earlier, let's take a look. Let's start with the economic calendar. I will refresh it. I will close this window. Okay, please guys, confirm me to the chat that you can hear me. So let's start with the economic calendar here. So earlier the US PPI was actually reported a 0.5% growth, matching expectations. Also core PPI 0.4% growth versus 0.6% expected. Unfortunately, here unemployment claims came in worse than expected. Earlier, or actually in the previous week. But yeah, let's take a look. The DXY, I believe that the dollar index drops. Yeah, strong sell-off in the short term. Please guys, can you confirm that you can hear me? Yeah, it seems that everything is okay. It seems that you don't want to conform or something. Yeah, it's fine. So the dollar index drops right now only because maybe the unemployment claims and the core PPI. Yeah, because the core PPI failed to reach or to register a 0.6% growth. Unemployment claims worse than expected. So yeah, maybe in the short term I will close this window. Right now the dollar index retreats, drops, but the bias remains bullish, as you already know. So yeah, personally I'm still keeping my long in US dollar versus the Mexican peso, and also my short in euro versus the US dollar. Actually my remaining 30% in euro versus the US dollar. Okay, because despite the temporary drop here on the dollar index, the bias remains bullish, and an upside continuation here could could force the US dollar to appreciate versus its rival. So personally, I'm still looking for potential US dollar longs, yeah, despite this this sell-off. And let's wait. If it stabilizes above the R1, we can look maybe for potential US dollar longs from around maybe this level, and or a larger correction. I will look for maybe for US dollar longs from around these former highs. Okay, so maybe after this amazing rally, strong rally, maybe the price will come back, maybe the dollar index will come back down to retest the support levels, downside obstacles, before resuming its growth. Please guys, if you have questions, I'm waiting for questions into the YouTube chat. Please tell me what you are looking at before I will take a look on that market. So gold, let's take a look. The price of gold, it was almost to retest the lower medium line here, and right now it has rallied, it has rebounded, only because as you already know, when the US dollar drops, retreats, depreciates, maybe the price of gold could grow. And I've talked about gold earlier today in that gold breakdown for the VIP members, and I've said, guys, that that staying above the lower medium line, test, retest, false breakdowns, and the new higher high could signal potential growth. Right now I'm still waiting because I don't have anything here around these levels. I'll wait. As I've said, if the price will continue to move sideways and the valid breakdown could bring us a new short opportunities here, or sideways movement, a new higher high could bring us new long opportunities here in gold, right? So euro US dollar, please guys, if you have questions. Whoa, sorry, I will have to go back. Sorry about that. One moment. Okay. Sorry guys. Yeah, Jack, unfortunately I didn't saw your messages. Okay. Hi James. Mr. Nobody, yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, okay. So thank you guys. Now I can see your messages. Sorry about that. One moment. Yeah. About Luna, about Terra, I can hear fine. Hi, we can hear you. Yeah, Mr. Nobody, Pierce, Head 24, Jack. Yeah. Hanson, okay. Thank you guys for being here. Okay, one moment. So yeah, I'm still holding my my short position here on euro versus the US dollar despite this rebound. So as you can see here, the price would have reached my take profit here on this trade, 130 pips, and yeah. But personally, I've decided today to manage my position here around 1.0429. Yeah, I've closed at 70% of my short position here around this level, 104 pips profit, 1.30% growth in my real account, and right now my stop loss is at break even. And I've decided to delete my take profit for my remaining 30%. Okay, so yeah, a really nice trade here. Even if the price maybe will come back to retest this former low, this key level 1.0470. The bias remains bearish. Maybe the price, or actually the euro versus the US dollar, will come back maybe to retest this major support, former support, to confirm it as resistance before resuming its sell-off. Okay, Milad, can we check the XY? It is down. It is means gold up. Let's take a look again. Dollar index. Don't forget, guys, to like this video. Yeah, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, I will take a look, but please tell me what you are looking at on that market, on Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, on Nasdaq, GBP Australian dollar, Euro Australian dollar, Ethereum. Yeah, please tell me what you are looking at on those markets. Okay, because maybe I will take a look on a different time frame, or yeah. So above the dollar index, as I've said earlier, maybe after its a strong rally, a temporary retreat is natural, and yeah, this sell-off, the current sell-off, forced the US dollar to depreciate a little versus its rivals, but the bias remains bullish. An upside continuation after ending its retreat could force the US dollar to continue to grow. So yeah, I'm still holding my and I'm still keeping my positions. US dollar versus the Mexican peso, and also US dollar versus euro versus the US dollar. So about the dollar index, as I've said, this could still be only a temporary retreat after, please take a look here. Yeah, we had here an upside continuation pattern, a flag, sideways movement, range, breakout, aggressive breakout, and that's why maybe, I don't know, the dollar index could also come back down to retest maybe 104.06, or it could stabilize here before resuming its growth. Okay, so personally, as I've said, I'm keeping my US dollar longs, and I'm looking for potential US dollar longs. Okay, during this webinar. I've joined selling on user after breakdown. It's up to you. It's your call. US dollar Japanese yen. I've talked about US dollar Japanese yen earlier in a video analysis, and I've said that valid breakdown through this confluence area could open the door for a downside movement, and I've said that only a false breakdown could signal a potential rebound here. So personally, I'll wait here, maybe because this candle will be closed only in 13 minutes, and also maybe I'll wait for confirmation. I'll wait for the price maybe to come back to retest before dropping deeper. And right now, yeah, the US dollar was punished by that dollar index sell-off, the XY sell-off, and let's take a look on the yen basket. I believe that the yen basket continues to grow, and as long as the yen basket continues to grow, the Japanese yen is bullish, is strongly bullish. Okay, so that's why this is the reason why US dollar Japanese yen drops. Okay, but I'll wait here because I don't want this this breakdown to be invalidated. Anything could happen, guys, because if the price will print something like a strong bullish engulfing here and test retest, it means that maybe this is only a false breakdown here, and the market could turn to the upside, could develop a new leg higher. But right now it seems strongly bearish in the short term. The bearish pressure is high, and yeah, maybe if the yen basket continues to grow and if the DXY drops deeper, this market could drop. As I've said earlier today, value breakdown through a confluence area could signal potential continuation, and I don't know, but right now maybe I'll wait for confirmation. I don't want to go short on this breakdown. Okay, I will look for something else, and I'll catch other high probability setups, but it was my opinion earlier today. Breakdown here through this confluence area could signal potential deeper drop. So long continuation play 4 hour, Rahman, Canadian dollar. I'm not trading these markets, and I don't know why you want to trade on these markets. So what you are looking at here, okay? So on 4 hour, long continuation in play. So yeah, 4 hour or 1 hour is the same here in the short term, maybe. And yeah, so yeah, in the short term, yeah, temporary retreat here on Canadian dollar Swiss franc, and I will clone it. And yeah, in my opinion, what's PPI looking like? I've talked about the PPI and core PPI, about unemployment claims earlier today, respect. So one moment. So Rahman, yeah, this could this flag, this down channel could represent an upside continuation pattern, but yeah, personally I would like to see a valid breakout here before I will take action or something. Before I will if I will decide to go long here, I would like to see a valid breakout, a new higher high here to confirm an upside continuation. Okay, on this market, please take a look here. 0.7620, this former high as support, strong support, downside obstacle. So only test, retest, false breakdowns, and a valid breakout here could signal, yeah, potential upside continuation pattern. But maybe personally I would like to see a valid breakout before I will decide to go long, because I don't know, I don't want to trade any more potential breakouts, okay? I don't want to place a buy stop here because the price could register only a false breakout and then to come back down. Yeah, this is the reason why I don't want to do anything right now here. I don't want to place a buy stop. I'll wait for maybe for a valid breakout, and then I'll maybe I will look for potential longs here on Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. Okay. PPI. So yeah, the PPI, I will update the groups. So one moment, I will update the groups. Okay, and one moment, because I'll wait for something here. So Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. But please, guys, tell me what you are looking at on that market, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Please tell me what you are looking at on Ethereum. Please tell me what you are looking at on Euro versus Australian dollar, on GBP versus the Australian dollar. Okay, what do you think about Luna? So I will talk about maybe about Terra as well. Nasdaq. Please tell me what you are looking at on Nasdaq. Okay, so I don't want to. Yeah, Bitcoin. What about Bitcoin, Matt? What about Bitcoin? Okay, so first of all, please tell me what you are looking at, James. Again, please tell me what you are looking at before, because I don't know your time frame. Okay, I don't know what you are looking at on Ethereum, on Bitcoin, on US 100. Yeah. Yeah, it's up to you. If you want to continue like this to send only Dow Jones or something, it's fine. I will take a look on all markets here, and yeah, I will share my opinion. GBP, I'm looking for shorts. What you think, please? Okay, so Jake's GBP Australian dollar. Let's take a look. So you are looking for shorts. Where you are looking for shorts? Here around this resistance zone, resistance area. So please, guys, if you want me to take a look on a specific market for you, please be more specific and tell me what you're looking at. Santiago, next support resistance. Yeah, so about British pound versus the Australian dollar, yeah, it is almost to reach the former highs as resistance levels. Yeah, okay, as resistance levels, resistance zone, resistance area. So right now, yeah, personal wait, yeah, to see, because yeah, the price could register only false breakouts before coming back down, or a valid breakout could signal potential upside continuation. So right now I don't have anything here. It's too late to go long here because it is almost to reach resistance. And also, yeah, right now I don't want to sell it here only because it's located right below resistance, because it could take out this resistance and it could resume its growth. So no, I don't have anything here right now. And also, yeah, one moment. After this amazing rally, amazing sell-off, a temporary rebound was natural, was expected. That's why I'll wait to see how it will react here, because a very breakout, a new higher high could signal potential growth here on British pound versus the Australian dollar, maybe towards this key level here or something, right? So right now, this is my opinion, my analysis here. Yeah, and a new higher high, and yeah, it could signal potential breakout also above the 38.2. How about British pound Japanese shorts on 13 minutes? How about the Japanese yen? Unfortunately, we missed great opportunities. So here right now, I don't have a setup. I don't have an opportunity. I will look maybe for potential shorts here, as I've said, only if I'll see false breakouts, test, retest, if the price action will develop a bearish pattern here around resistance. Okay, so right now, no, I will stay away. So you buying if no breakout. What? please. Nasdaq, so US 100. Let's take a look on US 100. So about Nasdaq, next support resistance. So let's start with daily here. Strong sell-off, strong downside movement, around 30% drop here on this market. Yeah, please take a look. 29.90% sell-off, and right now it's almost to hit the 50% retracement level. 11,700. Sorry, yeah, 11,700. 705.8, and the bias remains bearish here, guys, in my opinion, on US equities, on Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and US 500, only because as long as the dollar index is bullish, as long as maybe the US dollar could continue to appreciate versus rivals, then maybe the US equities could drop deeper. Okay, so that's why this is my opinion, my analysis here. And also you can see here that we had a major and critical support here around the 38.2. Okay, so here we had the 38.2, yeah, former lows, and rebound. It has retested this downtrend line, and then new lower low. It has activated a deeper drop, maybe towards the 50% retracement level, and right now you can see that its breakdown below the channel's downside line signaled that we have strong sellers here, and this breakdown here signaled that maybe we'll have a downside continuation, but maybe right now it's too late to go short. Yeah, it's too late to go short here because it is almost to hit the 50% retracement level. Maybe if you are a seller, if you want to sell the US 100, maybe you should wait for a temporary rebound before catching a new downside movement, okay? Or if the price will make here a valid breakdown, test retest, then maybe we can look for potential shorts as well. Okay, so right now I don't have anything. It is strongly bearish, only because the US, the dollar index is still bullish, yeah. And about the dollar index, please take a look here. Yeah, we had this sell-off, but if it stabilizes here above the weekly R1, 104.36, then maybe after testing retesting this level, it could resume its growth. And yeah, that's why I'm still keeping my my US dollar longs. Okay, US dollar longs. And I will come back with my trade management about US dollar versus the Mexican peso, and yeah. So one moment. So peers, British pound, Japanese yen shorts on 13 minutes. So please understand that I will not tell you what to do. You can do whatever you want. It's your call. It's your trading account. I'm not a financial advisor. I will not tell you to sell, to buy. It's up to you. If you want to follow my trades, it's up to you. If you want to follow my trade management, yeah, it's your call. Okay, so I will not tell you to sell, to buy. I'm not a financial advisor. So about British pound, Japanese yen, 30 minutes. Let's take a look. So yeah, temporary rebound, and yeah, the bias is bearish here, only because I've said that the yen basket rallied, and I said that as long as the yen basket continues to grow, the Japanese yen could appreciate versus its rivals. And please take a look here. Personally, I would have liked maybe to see a retest here of the 157.71 before extending its sell-off. So yeah, the pressure is high, but maybe after this massive drop, personally, I would like to see a temporary rebound before extending its sell-off. So yeah, right now in the short term, it's strongly bearish, and yeah, it could resume its sell-off. But no, I don't have a setup here, and because I don't have a setup. I don't want to trade this market, because here we have an immediate the immediate low, the former low 156.41, and I don't know if it will make a value breakdown here, but also we have a support zone here, the weekly S3. So no, I will not do anything here right now on 15 minutes, 30 minutes in the short term. As I've said, personally I would have liked maybe the price to come back higher to retest this key level before coming back down. Okay, so in the short term, maybe it could move somehow sideways before extending its sell-off, or before coming back higher. But in the short term, maybe I will keep an eye on this potential range. If the price stays above this former low, below this former high, it could move sideways, and then escaping from this pattern could bring us new opportunities. So British pound, Japanese yen, I don't have something right now. It's too late, in my opinion. It's too late to go short here and right now. Maybe we had something here, maybe we had something here, right? So right now, no, I don't want to go short on this market. Let's take a look again on yen basket. X factor, Euro USD is still bearish trend, or there is a chance on instant reversal. As I've said, guys, personally I'm still keeping my trades. I'm still keeping my short position in euro versus US dollar. The bias is bearish after escaping from that extended sideways movement range, and despite temporary rebounds, yeah, personally I'm keeping that trade, that short position. Yeah, I've took profits on that market, 104 pips profit on euro versus US dollar, and yeah, closing 70% of my short position. So about this market, also after this rally here, please take a look on yen basket. We have resistance here. We have resistance at 8,451. So it remains to see how it will react here, okay, around this level, around this key level, because a potential downside movement could signal that the Japanese yen could depreciate, could retreat a little, and that's why maybe the British pound versus the Japanese yen could rebound, okay, and only a valid breakout here above could signal potential upside continuation, and maybe could signal that the British pound versus the Japanese yen could drop deeper. Right? Okay, so I've talked about the British pound versus the Japanese yen. About Euro USD again. So Euro USD, please take a look. Yeah, maybe only temporary rebound here. Maybe only temporary rebound. So yeah, as I've said, even if the price maybe will come back to retest this former low here, this key level, the bias is bearish. So I'm still keeping my my remaining 30% in this short, because my stop loss is at break even there, as you already know, and yeah, I've deleted my take profit. Yeah. So after moving sideways here, strong sideways movement, after its failure to make a new higher high or something, it has signaled the potential sell-off. That's why I've decided to go short, and yeah, I've already made a nice profit here on euro versus US dollar, 1.13% growth in my real account, and also on closing, after closing 70% in this position. So in my opinion, the bias remains bearish. X factor. Okay, it's up to you what you want to do or how you want to manage your trades, your positions. Okay, but in my opinion, as long as it stays below 1.0470, below this downtrend line, the bias is bearish. Okay, despite temporary rebounds. Duran, I signed up with AvaTrade yesterday, but by using your affiliate, still waiting to be added to the VIP signal group. Sent emails to support, but I'm not getting response. Any help? I cannot help you here. And yeah, Duran, please be patient, and they will come back to you. Unfortunately, there are thousands of emails that the support team needs to process, and that's why. But they will come back to you. Don't worry, Duran. They will come back to you, and yeah, maybe you'll have to wait a little, yeah, 2-3 days or something, because yeah, unfortunately, as I said, there are thousands of emails, messages, and personally I cannot help you here, Duran, but yeah, you will be added to the VIP group. Thank you. Okay, I will take a look on your messages. How about fundamental analysis about the euro, because in a moment they'll have an ECB meeting, and what results to potential euro in the market. So right now, personally, I'm looking, when I'm trading euro versus US dollar, I'm looking at the US dollar. Okay, so right now, and as you already know, the US dollar is strongly bullish, and yeah, 15 minutes only false breakdown. 1 hour, let's take a look. Yeah, only false breakdown here below the R1. So as you already know, guys, the US dollar is strongly bullish because the Federal Reserve, because Dow Jones next support. Okay, Duran, thank you. So as you already know, the US dollar is strongly bullish because the Federal Reserve is expected to continue to increase its federal funds rate, to hike rates, only because the inflation is high, the inflationary pressure is high. So yeah, the Federal Reserve needs to do something about it, and yeah, maybe potential 50 basis points hikes, or in the next 2 meetings are favored or something. So that's why the US dollar is still strongly bullish. And personally, when I'm looking at the euro versus the US dollar, I'm looking also here on the dollar index, because we have a negative correlation, strong negative correlation, and when the dollar index increases, euro versus US dollar drops. So yeah, when I want to trade euro versus US dollar, I'm looking at the US dollar and not at the euro. Okay, so Dow Jones US 30. Let's take a look. Please, guys, don't forget to like this video. So US 30. Next support. Let's take a look. Next support. Maybe I will use this key level. This key level. And also so about US equities, as I've said, as long as the dollar index continues to grow, and as long as the US dollar appreciates versus its rivals, then maybe the US equities could drop deeper. And yeah, 31,261 as key level potential support. Also 31,476, this the S2 as a potential support, guys. But personally, yeah, as I said, the bias is bearish, and after its massive drop, amazing sell-off, maybe personally I would like to see a temporary rebound before I will look for potential shorts, for potential new selling opportunities. And because right now, I don't know, as I said, it could continue to drop. One moment, because I will try to identify. So let's use maybe, let's go on daily. Okay, so if you want potential support, we can also use Fibonacci retracement like this. Okay, and right now you can see that it has dropped it below the 23.6, activating maybe a deeper correction, a larger corrective phase, and so we have maybe this level as potential as key level, but here around the 38.2, 29,812, 29,596 as key support, major support. So in my opinion, this is a major support key level, and maybe I would like to see the Dow Jones dropping towards this key level before I will look for potential longs. But right now the pressure is high, and as I said, in the short term I would like to see temporary rebounds, temporary growth before extending its sell-off. Yeah, US in US 30. US 30. And maybe I will draw also a descending pitchfork here. So yeah, in my opinion, the bias is bearish, and this market could extend its sell-off. Let's use descending pitchfork also here. 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, no, it's not good. But as I've said, I want to see a rebound in the short term before extending its sell-off, and in my opinion it could drop deeper as long as it stays below and under this downtrend line. Okay, yeah, and I don't know, staying near the downside line of this channel could signal also potential breakdown and downside continuation. Okay, on US 30. Okay, if USD strong bullish trend, is there any effect to gold? Any chance gold depreciate a lot, sir? Let's take a look on gold. Thank you, guys. I will take a look on your messages, because there were a lot of messages here earlier. And please, guys, I will talk also about Bitcoin, about Ethereum, about Terra. Okay, thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. So don't forget to like this video. So about gold, right now it continues to stay there, and I said that maybe here I don't have anything, okay, inside of this I don't know, triangle or something. It is not a triangle, but inside of this this pattern, okay, I don't have anything. In the short term, it has found support on this key level, former high, 1831.83. It has escaped from this down channel, but unfortunately it has failed maybe to make a new higher high. So that's why personally I've decided to draw an ascending pitchfork, 1, 2, and 3. So rally, retest of the lower medium line, a new rally, retest. So in my opinion, and here about gold, as I've said also earlier today in that video, gold breakdown, if the price of gold, if the yellow metal stays above the lower medium line, test, retest, sideways movement here, followed by an upside breakout here above 1858.30, so could signal potential growth. But right now it's premature, because 1853.88 as key level, as static resistance here, yeah. And I said that moving sideways and testing, retesting, registering only false breakouts here, and the valid breakdown could signal a new sell-off, downside movement. So yeah, this is my opinion, my analysis here. And X factor, I don't know, yeah, about that correlation between the dollar index and gold. There are moments when maybe we don't have a strong correlation, yeah. But yeah, in my opinion, when the dollar index moves, or or actually when the dollar index is bullish, when the US dollar is bullish, maybe personally I don't want to go long on gold, okay? And I want to go long on gold. I want to buy gold if the US dollar depreciates, or when the US dollar depreciates. But it doesn't mean that maybe you can catch, yeah, you can catch something like a potential long opportunity in gold, even if the dollar index is bullish, because in the short term maybe the dollar index could retreat and gold could grow, okay? But yeah, this is my opinion. Okay, I've talked about those markets. So Bitcoin, let's take a look on Bitcoin. Maybe you are interested in Bitcoin. So please take a look here. Unfortunately, it has dropped below this major support, former lows, and it has found support on the weekly S3, 25,467.01, and right now it has rebounded, and technically maybe it could only, I don't know, retest the lower medium line of the descending pitchfork, this former demand zone, support zone, which turned it into a resistance zone right now. So as long as it stays below these upside obstacles, it could only retest them before dropping deeper. So yeah, unfortunately Bitcoin remains bearish after this breakdown. Yeah, I've talked about this demand zone, demand area. I've talked about this up channel here, major up channel flag, which could represent a downside continuation pattern. So yeah, and here after this breakdown here, the price of Bitcoin signaled a larger downside movement, okay? And yeah, after such a massive drop, temporary rebound is natural and expected. But as I've said, if it stays below 28,800, below the lower medium line, below the weekly S2, the bias is still bearish, and I don't know, retesting here could bring new short opportunities or something in Bitcoin. Ethereum. Yeah, I'm still keeping my trades, Euro US dollar and US dollar versus the Mexican peso. And also don't forget, guys, if you are only a free member, and if you want to join our VIP group, you can use this code coupon VIP21 at the checkout to get 21% discount. Okay, so you can use this coupon. I will VIP 21 to get 21% discount. Okay, and I'm sharing also the link if you want to join us. So Ethereum, let's take a look on Ethereum. So also about Ethereum, guys, as long as the price of Bitcoin drops, Ethereum drops as well, because yeah, when the price of Bitcoin drops, the altcoins could drop as well. Yeah, so about Ethereum, one moment. So X factor, I'm just closed my buy order 1830 to 1840 1 month ago with medium profit. My TP doesn't reach it into a little bit FOMO about strong bullish in US dollar, so I closed it. Yeah, it's your call. Gregory, can we do 8 cap join to get into VIP? Please email support. Okay, please email support. They will reply. They will come back to you. They will help you to become a VIP member. if you want to, I don't know, to open a trading account at a I don't know, one of our partners or something, brokerage companies. Yeah. Yeah, X factor, there is a correlation. I will go back to gold. I will go back to gold. So please take a look here. Yeah. So please take a look. So we have this downtrend line. Okay, we have a down channel, but that's why it's premature to talk about larger and broader upward movement, swing higher, leg higher. Okay, so that's why I don't want to buy gold right now. Maybe here something like this, and staying near the downtrend line, a new higher high, staying near the downtrend line, valid breakout could bring us something like this, but right now it's premature. It's premature to do anything here, to go long or short, because I've said it could move sideways, valid breakdown, test retests, I don't know, false breakouts before going down. Okay, this is my opinion in gold, about gold. Ethereum. So Ethereum, please take a look here on 4 hour that it has reached a support zone. Yeah, 1700, 1728 as support, and also after this massive drop, strong sell-off. Yeah, maybe a temporary rebound is natural, is expected. But also here, in my opinion, as long as it stays below this key level, former low, 2159, below the lower medium line of the descending pitchfork, only a, I don't know, temporary rebound could bring us new short opportunities or something. It's hard to believe that Ethereum will develop a larger growth from here without coming back down to test retest. I don't know, to print something like a pattern, a reversal pattern. Yeah, and about Terra, unfortunately, yeah, it has registered a strong sell-off, maybe more than 94% or something. Let's measure this this sell-off. Yeah, or actually, what? 100%. Yeah, so strong sell-off. I don't know what to say about this cryptocurrency, about this altcoin. I'm not managing the cryptocurrency channels or something, but I don't know what to say about this market after this such a strong sell-off and crash. Maybe you should read on I don't know, on the internet about this sell-off. Why Terra plunged? Yeah. But right now I don't want to do anything here. It remains to see if it will maybe if it will rebound or yeah, 0.01 right now. Yeah. Okay, please guys, if you have maybe more questions. I will take a look, and I will do some research about this cryptocurrency. As I've said, I'm not managing the cryptocurrency groups, and that's why I don't know exactly what happened with this cryptocurrency. And yeah, I will come back maybe tomorrow with an opinion about this cryptocurrency, about this altcoin, in because I will host a new. I will go live maybe tomorrow as well, and I will talk about this cryptocurrency maybe tomorrow. Okay, thank you guys. So silver. Also about silver, guys, please take a look here. So support zone, demand area, former lows, key levels, strong sell-off, value breakdown. So also here in silver, maybe personally I will look for, I'll wait actually for temporary rebounds before extending its sell-off, before dropping deeper. Okay, so I don't want to buy it as long as it stays below this downtrend line, and also as long as it stays below these former lows. And please take a look here. Unfortunately, it has failed to come back higher towards these former highs. Yeah, it has signaled some bearish pressure, downside pressure, and right now here maybe coming back to retest 21.423, 21.662 to test retest them. It could extend its sell-off. Yeah, James, thanks for your assistance. Yeah, thank you. US oil, let's take a look on US oil. US oil sell-off here. I've talked about this range in the short term, and I said that maybe a new lower low, if it drops below 106.43, could open the door a deeper drop. And right now it has reached the medium line of the descending pitchfork, the first downside target. Silver strong bearish. Yeah. X factor, silver is strongly bearish, but as I've said, personally I would like to see a rebound before maybe I will look for potential shorts, before I will identify new short opportunities. And also here US oil. Yeah, US oil sideways movement. I don't know, maybe I want to see a new higher high, okay, something like this, before maybe I will decide to go long or something, or I don't know, coming back down, moving sideways. But I would like to see something like this before I will look for potential longs right now, because here we have a resistance zone, resistance area. I would like to see a new higher high, a value breakout here before extending its growth. In my opinion, US oil and crude oil is still bullish despite these downside movements. Yeah, and in my opinion, only a new lower low here, dropping, closing and stabilizing below 93.51 could open the door for a larger downside movement, strong sell-off. Let's wait, okay? If I'll have something, and when I'll have something like a new high probability trade, I will come back to you guys. US oil, so yeah, Euro USD again. Yeah, it's still there. Strongly bearish, guys. And my remaining 30% here runs in profits, I don't know, 117 pips. Yeah, a really good trade here on euro versus the US dollar. And let's go back, dollar index. An upside continuation here could also force my my long position in US dollar versus the Mexican peso to maybe to run in profit, to bring some profits, and yeah, maybe I could make some profit also on US dollar versus the Mexican peso. Are you long, guys, on US dollar versus the Mexican peso? Did you follow it, my trade management? Yeah, X factor, US oil sideways look like forming mini trend. Yeah, okay. US dollar Japanese yen. Yeah, it has closed at this candle, but as I said, maybe I would like to see test retests before dropping deeper. I don't have an opportunity here on US dollar Canadian dollar. Is at resistance here, below resistance, so I don't have upside continuation here on US dollar versus the Swiss franc, but I didn't want it to go long here right above these former highs because yeah, I was afraid that maybe we'll have only a false breakout. But yeah, I'm still long on the US dollar. New Zealand dollar, US dollar, still bearish. Australian dollar, US dollar, still bearish. And also here, maybe I'll wait for the Australian dollar, US dollar to come back to retest maybe the S2, the lower medium line of the descending pitchfork before extending its sell-off, its drop, right? Euro, Japanese yen. Let's take a look. So strong sell-off. Unfortunately, I've missed great Japanese yen longs. Yeah, into the last night or in the early morning. Unfortunately, here test retest. Maybe we had an opportunity, selling opportunity, and right now it's too late. Maybe in my opinion to go short. We have this key level here. This key level. This key level, it remains to see how it will react here, but after this massive drop, maybe I would like to see a temporary rebound before X factor US PPI released actual 0.5. Yeah, I know that it was released 1 hour ago. You are great, Charles. Thank you. British pound, Japanese yen. I talked earlier about this market that I want to see maybe rebounds or something. It's up to you. Yeah, someone wanted to go short maybe on 15 minutes, on 30 minutes. It's up to you, but no. Personally, I'll wait for other setups. Yeah. And right now the yen continues to good trend. Yeah, unfortunately X factor I'm not working during Asian session or something, or yeah, so I missed great opportunities on the Japanese yen, but no, I don't have a problem with that. There are lot of great opportunities into the markets. Also here, I've talked about Canadian dollar, Japanese yen in a previous daily video. So yeah, strong sell-off. Right now it's too late maybe to sell it. Maybe we had something here, but right now I don't want to sell it here because it's almost to hit 38.2. Yeah, Japanese yen sell-off here as well. Yeah, unfortunately, yeah, we've missed great opportunities in the early morning. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, gold is still there. Dollar index tries to resume its growth, guys. So yeah, my position in US dollar versus the Mexican peso is still good, still valid. If I'll decide to manage it, I will come back with my trade management into the VIP group, because it was only a VIP trade. Yeah, it was. I've shared my trade only with the VIP members, because the VIP members are paying a subscription for my analysis, for my trades. Yeah. Yeah, big chance to reversal. X factor on euro versus Japanese yen. I don't know if it will reversal, but maybe I'll wait for temporary rebounds. Yeah, it's up to you, X factor. But let's take a look here. I don't know if it will reversal, because if it stays stabilizes below 133, below the medium line, after retesting here, if it stabilizes below the medium line, despite or temporary rebound, if it stabilizes below the medium line, it could drop deeper. So let's wait. Let's wait. As long as X factor, as long I cannot talk about a potential reversal as long as I don't have or are you talking about a bearish reversal? In euro versus the US dollar, sorry, euro versus the Japanese yen, but a bearish reversal maybe will be confirmed only after a value breakdown below the 61.8. So yeah, it's premature to talk about strong rebound. Yeah. Okay, thank you guys for watching this, for joining me here, for watching this live session. Thank you for messages, for questions. Don't forget to like this video. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. And I will come back with my trade management later, and maybe if I'll have something like a new trading opportunity, new trade, I will share my trade into the VIP group, only into the VIP group. Thank you guys. Bye bye.